Hello, friends and acquaintances. Welcome to another exciting episode of Excel Learning. In this video, we will be learning some more advanced conditional formatting by applying some formulas. As you can see, I took the range from my previous lecture, that is the highlight cell rules, and I have applied one that is yellow rule, another one that is orange rule, and then another one that is blue rule. So in one range we have applied three rules by using the formula by comparing these values. So I will be going to show you some advanced conditional formatting by using the formula. And before proceeding to start our conditional formatting, I just want to explain you what I have right here. This is F4 button that is available on your keyboard. It gives you absolute reference. So whenever you are typing any formula and if you press F4, it will give you a dollar sign. As you can see here in this cell, we have two dollar signs, $E, $4. It means it is an absolute reference E4. So where is E4? This is column E and this is row 4. So E4, we have an absolute reference that it is not going to deviate any cell forward or backward or any row up or down. So this is called absolute reference. And here you can see only we have a dollar before C. So we have a C column that is an absolute reference. So our reference will not deviate forward or backward. It will only look for C column, but it will start the rows from row number 7 towards down. So this is called absolute referencing. So let's begin our conditional formatting. Before starting, I'll just select our range and I will go to Home tab and conditional formatting, and I will just clear all the rules from the selected cells. Now our all rules have been cleared. Now let us start by, so now what we have to do, this 5000 we have to look into this range and we have to select the whole row. So where we have 5000 here, so when we create the rule, the whole row should be selected. So let us first select our range, go to Home tab, conditional formatting, and start with a new rule. In this new rule we have so many options: formula, format all cells based on their values, and so on and so forth. We will be using the last one, use a formula to determine which cells to format. So it is asking us format values where this formula is true. So now we have to put a formula here, and as you know, for any formula we have to press is equal to, and then we have to start typing our formula. So now we need to look for 3000 in column number 5000 in column C. So we will be selecting the first reference C7. It is automatically giving you a dollar sign, $C, $7. So we need only absolute reference for the column, but the row should be changed to identify where the 5000 is present. So what we'll do, we'll press F4. Again we'll press F4, so it will give only a dollar sign before the column. Then we'll press is equal to, and then we will select our reference which we have to compare. So our reference value is 5000, that is in cell E number E4. So it is already giving you a $E, $4. It means it's absolute value and we don't want to deviate from this cell anywhere. So we will keep it as absolute reference. Again, if you will come down, it's showing preview no format set. So you have to select a format. and there are so many other options. So go to the fill option and select yellow color and press OK. So now wherever the value is matching, it will give you a yellow color. We'll press OK, and now you can see our 5000 value has been selected with a yellow color. The whole row has been selected. Let's try this formula. Let's try 5000 here. So it will select this row. Let's delete it and put any other value. So it will deactivate the yellow marking. So we have successfully created first conditional formatting in our range. And how it is working, just I want to explain you. I just copy paste the formula here which I have just used. So if I will press is equal to here before the formula, so now you can see it is giving me a true or false function. So this value has been, when it is true, it will give you the conditional formatting. Now let's go to our another reference that is available in F4. So let us first select our range, go to conditional formatting, new rule, and now we have to go to use a formula to determine which cells to format, same as before. And now we have to press, because we are putting a formula, so we'll press is equal to, and now we have to select a column in where equal to is available. So the whole column, whole this column will be selected. So let us, because this is a text on the header, so we will select our header, and because this is one row, so the row should be absolute, but the column should be changing to verify our absolute reference. So we will press F4, so it will remove the dollar sign from the columns and it will keep the dollar sign in the row. We'll press is equal to, and then we'll assign our reference, that is F4, absolute reference. We'll go to format and we'll put a format here in any color. Press OK and press OK. You can see our second rule has been applied to equal to. So wherever in any column where equal to is present, it will select the whole column in our range. Let us try one more time. Go to, let us first select our range, go to conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula, press is equal to, and then again we will select our uh, value where we have to identify. Press F4 for absolute row is equal to our second reference that is available in G4. Go to the format, select a format and press OK and press OK. So now you can see less than, wherever it is fine less than, it will select the whole range, whole column, and it will give you a conditional formatting. Let us try to change our reference here. So let's see, we are going to put 3000 here and we are going to change our reference 3000, so it will select this row. And let's change this, let us put a day occurring, a date occurring, so it will select this column. Let's try this, greater than, so it is selecting this column. This is how you can make an advanced conditional formatting in Excel. Later on I will be going to make drop down lists on these absolute reference which we have to identify in our range. So stay tuned for my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.